Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Roblox gift card on Xbox. While you enjoy playing Roblox on your Xbox console, the actual gift card redemption happens online. It's a simple, two-step process that ensures your virtual currency, called Robux, is correctly added to your account. This guide will walk you through each step, making it easy to get your Robux and enhance your gaming experience. The first crucial step is to redeem your gift card on the Roblox website. Open any web browser on a computer or mobile device and navigate to Roblox. com/redeem. You will need to log into your Roblox account or create one if you haven't already. Carefully find the unique PIN code on your gift card, which is usually a 12-digit number, and enter it into the provided box. Then, simply click Redeem to add the credit to your account. Once your gift card is successfully redeemed online, the Robux or credit is linked to your Roblox account. To access this on your Xbox, simply launch the Roblox application on your console. Make sure you are logged into the exact same Roblox account that you used for the online redemption. Your newly acquired Robux balance should now be visible and ready for you to spend on exciting in-game items, avatar accessories, or even a premium subscription. Remember, every Roblox gift card typically comes with a bonus-free virtual item, adding extra value to your purchase. You can redeem as many gift cards as you like, building up a substantial credit balance. This method provides a safe and easy way to get Robux, allowing you to explore countless possibilities within the Roblox universe. Enjoy customizing your avatar and unlocking new adventures with your new virtual currency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.